In a bustling city, a small business tests the Bitcoin Lightning Network to accept instant micropayments from customers. The analyst explains how channel openings, routing fees, and liquidity affect speed and reliability in everyday checkout. They compare on-chain costs with off-chain gains, showing how Lightning can slash typical processor fees. A curious investor learns how to assess risk, wallet hygiene, and node reliability before committing funds. By the end, viewers see practical steps to experiment safely and move from curiosity to confident, faster payments.